the ELEMIS Superfood Midnight Facial. This feels like a night cream that does little magic during the night. It is, first of all, so pretty, and it smells really good. It is a prebiotic overnight cream made to hydrate, nourish, and that help with that dull skin look and make you more refreshed in the morning. First of all, I like the name, a superfood midnight facial. The texture, when you put it on, is very, very rich and creamy, but it's still light enough for nightly use. It has all kind of good ingredients in it, and it smells really good. You can use it as a nighttime moisturizer or a weekly overnight kind of mask when your skin needs extra hydration. I'm looking forward to using it again. I like to work on that tired, dry looking skin that I have, especially in the summer. But this is a nice pick if you want your nighttime skincare to feel a little luxurious without adding a complicated extra step. Highly recommend the ELEMIS Superfood Midnight Facial. This review is sponsored by the brand.